I'm Laura K. Skinner. I work at Assured Partners here in Hunt Valley, Maryland. I came here personally just looking for art and creativity. I've done poetry, pottery, yoga, live music, and I fell in love with it. So much so that I brought my team here the first year. We did wreath making. They loved it. So much so that the next year they asked to come back to Manor Mill. Manor Mill did an amazing job. We had a wonderful watercolor instructor. We did karaoke and we did a lovely gift exchange for the holidays. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for a place that is unique, special, and just a place to create memories, you have to come to Manor Mill.